Welcome to Crash Tropolis. Get ready to experience real-life road crashes like never before. In this video, we look at drivers' mistakes, examine the chaos, and uncover the events behind each accident. And a very important reminder, on the road, anything can happen in the blink of an eye. I feel sorry for this man. He will not be able to earn money today, but luckily he is in good health. The driver of the vehicle should have been more careful. Train accidents are very scary. I'm sure the owner of the vehicle abandoned his vehicle and drove away. People sitting inside are having a good time, and suddenly this Jeep comes in and people are surprised. One even throws himself to the ground out of fear. You see how hippos fearlessly attack the car to defend their territory. Do you think hippos are cute or scary? Skiing in the snow is already a very exciting activity, and flying in the air on top of it. It is something that adrenaline enthusiasts will love. The right indicator light of the white car in front is on because it is turning right, but the driver of this car is going too fast to notice this, and so the accident happens. It's a miracle this guy can ride his bike like this and not have an accident. He rides his bike like a skateboard, really pure talent. Can you ride your bike like this person? Thanks to the skill of this driver, he escaped the accident at the last moment. The other car owner just got his license, and at this rate he will lose his license. The rider parks the bike, but when he turns around and walks away, the bike suddenly tips over. In such cases, we have to make sure that the ground is perfectly flat. Here a motorbike rider rear-ends a truck that suddenly comes out of the road. The motorbike is going too fast and it is too late to stop. The surprising thing is that the truck driver continues on his way. In this footage, a car loses control and goes straight into a supermarket, a nightmare moment for those inside. Then people gathered around the accident site, and it seems that there were no casualties. Here the driver loses control of the motorcycle and slowly crashes into the wall of a house. Everyone inside the house is terrified. He both speeds up and takes footage of it. His only purpose is to show off, and by doing so, he endangers both his own life and the lives of the people around him. And of course, this event results in an accident. This little dog is very sweet, but if he keeps wandering on the road like this, bad things could happen to him. As you can see in the video, the car driver loses control of the steering wheel and the car plunges into the sea. Just then, without thinking, a member of the public grabs a rope and dangles it into the sea. Maybe not a professional team, but he saves lives with his courage. The driver of the car in front had to brake suddenly because the red car was traveling in the opposite lane, which caused a road blockage. In a motorcycle shop, someone wants to start an engine, but suddenly the engine catches fire. Before he knows it, the sparks spread to the man and then to the whole shop. Luckily for the man, he saves himself immediately, but the same cannot be said for the other motorcycles. One of the main reasons for not being able to respond to this incident immediately is the lack of a fire extinguisher. In this footage, a motorcycle rider dances through the streets but in a deadly way, zigzagging between vehicles, braking suddenly, changing lanes. Yes, he may be going really fast, but it is impossible to shorten the distance or reduce the danger. Here a motorcyclist loses control at high speed and loses control of the road in seconds. A curve or even a small obstacle can become deadly at this speed. Some people have a high sense of adventure and love such dangerous stunts, but unfortunately this time, it didn't end well. Thanks for tuning in to Crash Tropolis. We hope these intense moments reminded you just how unpredictable the road can be. Which scene stuck with you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more real road footage. Drive smart, stay alert, and we'll catch you in the next video.